Hi, Katarina here with Beauty Junkies. Today I'm going to share with you how to use the Beauty Junkies Powder Contour Kit to sculpt and highlight the face in just a few easy, simple steps. So let's begin. First things first, we're going to go right into the palette here, and we're going to take the banana shade and the vanilla shade, and we're going to take the sponge from Beauty Junkies Contour Brush Kit, and we're just going to start highlighting the face. So we're going to bring this right here under the eyes. Naturally, when you want to highlight the face, you're going to be typically trying to bring out places. So you want to focus on the center of the face, kind of like right here under the eyes, the bridge of the nose, center of the forehead, center of the chin, and Cupid's bow. These powders work great for working with brushes or sponges, which makes it very nice and versatile. The shades Banana and Vanilla are both matte shades. They're very creamy and buttery smooth, so it's perfect for setting under the eyes, kind of getting the bridge of the nose, places where you want to highlight but you don't want to necessarily add shimmer. So letting that sit on the face, we're going to go right into contouring using the Beauty Junkies Pro Sculptor brush. We're going to go right here with the shade Fawn. This is a more cool tone brown. Something that's really nice about this palette is it does give you a couple varieties of shades, whether you want a warm undertone, a more red undertone, or a gray undertone. So I'm going to take Fawn here, and we're going to focus on contouring. Now in contouring, the rule of thumb is to kind of follow that 3. So you want to start here right at the temples of the forehead. You're going to kind of bring it in right here under the cheekbones, and then one more time right under the jawline. It's going to give the most natural, beautiful, sculpted look. For a more precise contour in those hard to reach places, go ahead and take the Beauty Junkies Pro Detailer brush, go back in with the color that fits your complexion the best, and then we're going to focus right here under the lip. This will give the illusion of a more full, pouty looking lip. Take this right here under the nose. Taking it under the nose is going to kind of shorten the nose a little bit, and then if you take it right here on the sides of the nose, it's going to straighten and slimmen the nose a little bit as well. Now taking the Beauty Junkies Dual Fiber brush from the same contour kit, go ahead and just start doing buffing circular motions over all the places that we just contoured. Lastly, going into the shade Sand, this is a shimmery champagne color, and then also taking the Beauty Junkies Pro Highlighter brush, getting a little product on there. Since this is shimmery, we're going to highlight the face, but hitting the place that the sun would naturally hit, where you want a little bit of shimmer. Typically that's right here above the cheekbone. Take this right here at the very tip of the nose. Also take a little bit on the bridge of the nose. You can pop this right here on the Cupid's bow. You can also bring this right here under the brow bone. This is going to kind of lift your eyebrows and make them look more polished. Alright, and here is the final look using the Beauty Junkies Powder Contour Kit to contour, sculpt, and highlight the face in just a few easy, simple steps. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.